The staff were clearly terrified, which would be understandable in any of these circumstances. In the staff room, there is an intercom system, and they can then hear what's going on. One lady in particular did feel the experience paranormal.
Ew. That's thick. Like bagel and some vegetable cream cheese and frosted mini wheats and banana. What did I have earlier? Well, I had like a spoonful of smothered pork.
Suddenly, through the intercom,
Ribs.
quite clearly, they all sorts of noises.
Guggling burp. There's a fart coming through. I think Scary Movie gives me the farts too. I am so bloated, it's not even funny. Wish I could see my stomach right now.
Given the fact that all the residents are bedbound, the last thing they expected to hear coming through there were loud, precise footsteps going across the landing.
Scared like a mother. I can't hold this one, it's too hot.